Hey guys, welcome back again to our channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be making plantain, which we call dodo, and we're going to be making some eggs, as you can see right here. So stay tuned to see how we make it. Okay, so first of all, we have our plantains, right? And remember to always wash it. Wash your plantain before you peel it, guys. And take your plantains. We're going to be using 3 plantains. And we're taking a clear bowl and a knife. And now we're going to be peeling it and cutting it. So guys, as I just said, remember to wash your plantains before peeling it. Now she's just going to peel and cut it, as you guys can see. Make sure to be very careful so you don't cut yourself, guys. And now we're just cutting it, and we cut it in like this specific type of way, as you guys can see. And yeah, you just keep cutting, and you repeat that with all of the other plantains. As you guys can see, that's what she's doing. So peel it off, cut it in that like oval type of shape, so you guys can see. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you won't miss none of our videos. And as you guys know, it's Abby. I'm making the voiceover again, as you guys know. So guys, yeah, stay tuned and stuff. No, don't forget to like and follow, subscribe. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and share this to any of your friends so they can see. And guys, as you guys can see, she's done peeling it, and now she's gonna add salt to it. Just like, not a pinch of salt, but like, now we're gonna mix it all around, cause you want a good flavor, saltiness. And now, as you guys can see, we have a pan here, and we're gonna add some vegetable oil, any oil you can get actually. And now we're gonna make it like until hot, and now we're gonna add the plantains inside of it, as you guys can see. And guys, you guys will know when it's done when it's golden brown. As you guys can see. As y'all can see right now, it is not cooked because y'all just added it. It's not cooked right now. Even that side, when you flip it over, it's not cooked. So, yeah. And you'll have to repeat this with all the other guys. Sorry, I don't know why I'm stuttering right now. With all the other plantains. And now you're just gonna cook it for like 10 minutes or so, as you guys can see. It's plantain. Now it's ready, guys. Guys, doesn't it look so good? Now, as you guys can see, we're done doing the plantains, and now in a separate pan, we're gonna be cutting up some onions. We used these purple onions, guys. Yeah. You're gonna cut up some purple onions, some tomatoes, and some habanero pepper, and you're gonna add some oil to it, to the pan also, and let it sit to make it hot. And then you're gonna add all of the onions, tomatoes, and habanero peppers to it, and then stir it up, and then add some Maggi. And now she just lets it cook for like 2 minutes. Don't let it get burnt. And now she's adding some sardines, guys, to the egg. I know some of y'all don't like sardines, but to us, sardines is actually very good. Oh, like that, people love sardines. Oh, hey. Guys, we just mixed it all up, and she's adding like the oil from the sardines to it, as you guys can see. And now she's just mixing it all up, and then you guys can let it sit for like 2 minutes. And then now you guys gonna whisk up your eggs, and make sure to add like some seasonings to it. Like my mom, she always adds Maggi. And now you have to wig all the eggs up. And now she's pouring the eggs in. She added like four eggs. So yeah, guys, doesn't that look so good, guys? I could smell it from upstairs. It was so good, guys. Guys, you see, we're making scrambled eggs, not like omelets or anything. Now she's just mixing it all. That looks so good, guys. You guys should definitely make it at home. I definitely recommend it. It's so good, guys. See, this thing, it is sweet. It's sweet. It was sweet too. It tastes so good. You got to try it, yeah. My mommy's cooking is so good, and the egg is done. And now she's just gonna put it into the plate and present it. Oh, nice! My chef, mama. Chef with Love TV. Chef. She's a chef, oh. Now she's adding the plantains to the plate, oh. And now she's gonna add the eggs really quick. But now she's adding the cute, yummy, sweet you. It tastes so good, yummy your tummy. Now she's adding the eggs. Oh, hey, look how good it is. Guys, doesn't that look so good? Like, I'm not even trying to joke or anything. That looks so good, guys, and it tasted so good as much as it looks like it, guys. I'm not even kidding. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So good. Now she's gonna try it. My mom's gonna try it. That, guys, I know you guys know it looks so good and it is yummy. Now she's eating the plantain, guys. The plantain is also so good. The plantain with the eggs, great combo. Yummy, guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss none of our videos. Okay, guys? You guys should go make it at home. Bye, guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And this is the final clip. Bye, guys. Have a great day.